Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, the normal low temperature for the 9th day of October is 43. Today we started off in the upper 50s, low 60s. The normal high temperature is 66. Today we're going to flirt with the 80-degree mark, and the summer-like weather does not end. In fact, tomorrow a bit muggier and a bit warmer than today. Right now, scanning within the cloud cover that we have, early warning pinpoint Doppler showing that we have no organized areas of rain. That drizzle from this morning essentially has been winding down. We've got temperatures making their way into the low and mid 70s in many communities, 73 Hartford, also for Willimantic, 72 Groton, 74 for New Haven, also for Bridgeport, 71 right now in Waterbury. We've got a south-southwesterly wind across the state that's helping to bring in not only a warmer but also muggier air mass, dew point values in the mid and upper 60s. So something you will certainly feel if you spend any time outdoors today and also for tomorrow. Our ICAM view from Hartford showing essentially an overcast sky with some breaks here and there. A similar scene coming in from New Haven, primarily cloudy at this point, and into southeast Connecticut. At one point saw some decent clearing, but clouds have moved back in over the southeastern part of our state. So throughout the northeast, no, again, organized areas of rain. The cloud cover will tend to break up a bit more as the afternoon progresses, and any additional sunshine will help to get those temperatures again close to perhaps the 80-degree mark. We've got high pressure offshore that's helping to bring in the southwesterly flow. But on the big view, watching a couple of things. We've got a storm system that's bringing severe weather to Oklahoma, where a tornado watch is currently in effect. This cold front heads up in our direction on Thursday, arriving to southern New England at the same time. Will eventually be tapping into some moisture associated with what is now Category 2 Hurricane Michael. It's going to be moving inland and then eventually off the mid-Atlantic coast. But some of the moisture, again, with this could be drawn into this approaching storm system from the west. That could further enhance the threat for some heavier rain later in the day on Thursday. So in the meantime, futurecast, as we look at tomorrow's weather today, cloud cover breaking up as we head toward the evening commute. And then as we head through the overnight hours, kind of like last night into early this morning, we'll see clouds develop, perhaps some areas of fog, perhaps a little drizzle for the Wednesday morning commute. And then the clouds break up a little bit quicker than they did today, revealing a mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow afternoon. That will help to get temperatures even higher than what we're forecasting for this afternoon. So as we look down into the eastern Gulf of Mexico, we find Michael, a Category 2 hurricane. It's been slowly strengthening up to maximum sustained winds at around 110 miles an hour, just 1 mile an hour away of becoming a Category 3 major hurricane. It's forecast to do so as it moves over the warmer waters of the eastern Gulf of Mexico before making landfall at some point tomorrow near the Florida Panhandle. Then again, making its way farther inland, of course, weakening. The storm track stays offshore southeast of Connecticut as we close out the week. But again, before this even gets up here, some of the moisture associated with Michael gets drawn into that approaching storm system from the west. So tomorrow, about 5 or so degrees warmer than today. Humidity will be up as well. Then unsettled on Thursday, rain, possibly some thunderstorms. Behind that cold front, trending less humid, drier and brighter as we close out the week on Friday, upper 60s. And the upcoming weekend features some cold or chilly mornings near 40 on Saturday morning. That afternoon, mid 50s with sun and clouds, and then Sunday looking dry as well, low 60s, but after a very cold start in the mid 30s. Could see some frost in some of those usual colder outlying areas, and then perhaps some rain in here by Monday of next week. For shoreline highs, upper 50s Saturday, low 60s on Sunday, but looking stellar for the Eversource Hartford Marathon, half marathon, relay, 5K, all kicking off at Bushnell Park at 8 o'clock. Spectators, you will certainly need a jacket, but otherwise pretty ideal for runners, maybe a little bit of a breeze.
All right, that looks good.
Yeah, not bad. I'm looking forward to it.
All right, y'all trained? Almost.
No.
Okay.
It won't be a PR for me this year.
Okay, well, good luck everyone who is running.